Hello everyone! We're gonna start today's project with a small brush and yellow paint. Let's use a little bit of water and a little bit of paint on the tip of the brush. Our first step is to paint outline for the top layer of ice cream. Next, we'll add outline for a second, bigger layer of ice cream. Now we'll add the biggest layer of ice cream on the bottom. Finally, we'll outline the edges of the cone. To paint background, we'll use large brush and yellow paint. We'll paint in the rest of the artwork by creating large brush strokes. Next, we'll start filling in spaces between brush strokes. For the next step, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and light brown paint. Let's outline and paint in our cone. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark brown paint and outline and paint in the bottom layer of the ice cream. Since my paint is a little bit transparent, I will have to do second and third layers. After wiping and washing your brush, you can dip it in bright pink paint to outline and paint in the top layer of the ice cream. We'll use paint that is left on the brush to outline the bottom edges of the second layer of ice cream. Let's paint in the rest of the ice cream with light pink paint. We'll use small brush and light pink paint to create highlights on the top layer of ice cream. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create highlights on the second layer of ice cream. Next, we'll use yellow paint to create diagonal lines on top of the cone. Let's paint more lines in the opposite direction. You can dip your brush in red paint to create an outline for a cherry on top. Now let's paint it in. We'll keep using red paint to add sprinkles on the ice cream and background. Let's use bright pink to add more sprinkles. Let's use blue paint to add more sprinkles. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint to add more sprinkles. We'll use yellow paint to add sprinkles on top of the ice cream. I am adding second layer on top of yellow lines. Now let's paint orange sprinkles. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint to add a stem for the cherry. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to add highlight on top of the cherry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to see more.